Hey, I'm back again flying the drone for Capstone Construction. Today, we're going to check out some of the light fixtures and outlets, and as well as the countertop that went in. I'm going to fly the drone around. We're going to keep it on high. If you missed any stage of this build, they all are posted on my page. Feel free to check it out. Keep it on high. This house is almost completed, and I've already started filming for a few others as well as other projects that I'm doing. So just keep it on high.